Hello, good people. The birds are busy Sunday morning. I don't know why they've decided to put their nests at this points of the trees and not inside or even on the left hand side. They are very busy putting up new nests. I can see the newest, still very green twigs, but the rest are old. Some seem to be improving there, and it's so interesting, each bird in its own nest alone. Wow, so beautiful to hear them making the chirping noise. When you work, I think they enjoy working and talking to one another in their bird's language. This is so beautiful. This is the center of attraction for me always in my mother's home in Siaya County, Iro, Luanda Village.